All right, welcome back to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And today it's an unboxing of a QRP portable Radio Oddity True SDX HF radio. Join us. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's get right to the video. Ordered me a very inexpensive HF portable transceiver, marketed by Radio Oddity, but there's a lot of different variants out there. It's another version of the True SDX, uSDX HF radio. I'm gonna open it up and take a look. All right, let's see what we get in, can't even call it an unboxing. We're gonna call this an unwrapping. Oh no, I take it back. It is an unboxing. Weather's getting nicer, and that has me thinking portable ops, portable operations, POTAs. And my main purpose, hopefully, for this radio will be a decent travel radio. We shall see. The price was right. I'll put an image up on the screen. I think I paid $90 for mine. What do we got here? It's a true unboxing. I have no idea. It's like a lunch pail. Wow. Take a look. Metal construction. Plastic strap. Faux leather. Okay. Get a power supply. Okay, marketed Delta Electronics, AC adapter, output. As you can hear behind me, I have the Kilo 9 team. I got a 12-volt output. To the side, we get a Baofeng microphone. The LED push to talk light. It's not a Kenwood style plug, or a 3.5 millimeter. And here is the transceiver, super tiny. uSDX SDR QRP HF transceiver. It's got 15, 20, and 40. You got volume. You got tune, mode, menu. Covers SSB, CW, AM, FM, and it's also got FT8 apparently. Here's your mic. Your has the 3.5 millimeter as well for the keyer if you're going to do CW. Earphones, and it has a test button. On this side you have your 12-volt input, output power of 5 watts it's stating, and you have your on-off switch. Let's see if it came. No, it needs to be charged. So let's charge it up. You got your BNC. I know the K9 team have high hopes for this radio. Very small, very small. I've also read that some of these even have extra bands besides the 15, 20, and 40. But again, they come in very different variants out there, so you never know what you're going to get. But like I said, I paid around $80 for mine. So let's power it up and see what it looks like. Okay, we powered up the uSDX Radio Oddity. You notice how on the ad it says a true uSDX, but here it's just a uSDX. It's a Chinese knockoff clone. LCD screen is pretty bright. You got your mode, got your menu, press for tune. Got your volume. Now if you notice, it has 15, 20, and 40 meters, but if you dial around manually, you get a lot more. Don't know how the filtering is on these bands, but at least you have them. Goes all the way into the VHF, UHF region. But I suspect the filtering is not good, but might be effective even down to 6 meters. With the correct cable, you could hook it up to a battery supply, portable, which I have here. The Rapthor. And here we are on 14.3. Just have a little BNC just to test it out. Okay, there you have it, a very inexpensive unboxing of the uSDX QRP HF transceiver. Like I said, does upper sideband, lower sideband, CW, AM, FM. Haven't tested out the FT8 functions yet, so that remains to be seen. I'll put affiliate links to both the Rapthor and the radio. It goes by many different variants. I got mine via the Radio Oddity. But there's also one that looks identical by Putikeeg. So comment below, like and subscribe for future videos of ham radio on the go. Thanks for watching, everyone. 7-3.